Understanding USB drive formatting.
Formatting a USB drive erases its file system, making stored files seem permanently lost. However, the actual data often remains on the device until new files overwrite it. Acting quickly is crucial, as new data can reduce recovery chances. Knowing how formatting works gives you a better shot at successfully retrieving your files.
Choose reliable free recovery software.
Popular free tools like Recuva and photorec allow you to recover lost files from formatted USB drives. These programs are easy to use and support a wide range of file formats. Download the software to your computer, not the USB drive, to avoid overwriting recoverable data. Make sure the program you choose is reputable and safe.
Scan the formatted USB drive.
Open your chosen recovery tool and connect the formatted USB drive. Select the drive within the app, then start the scanning process. Let the software complete a deep scan, as this will search for files that may still be recoverable, even after formatting. Scanning may take some time, depending on the drive size.
Preview and recover your files.
Once the scan finishes, the software should display a list of found files. Use the preview feature, if available, to check the contents. Select the files you wish to recover and choose a safe location on your computer to save them. Avoid restoring files directly to the same USB drive, which could overwrite other lost data.
Tips for successful data recovery.
Act quickly after formatting to improve the chances of recovery. Avoid using the drive or adding new files before running recovery software. Regularly back up important data to prevent future loss. Finally, make sure your chosen recovery program is updated and from a trusted source to ensure the best results.